If you sell products and you want to create amazing videos and images, this video will help you out. The AI tool is called Insmind, and we are going to create mind-blowing stuff. Now, when you sign into Insmind, this is how it looks. The interface is very clean and nice, and you can scroll down and you see a lot of interesting things they offer. There are video templates you can use, there are photo templates you can use. There's a lot of them. There's a lot going on over here. Let's go to Toast to Christmas. That seems really cute. So let's just say you sell these products, these clothes. We are going to upload this in here. You can change what you want to do, but I really like the Toast to Christmas bit. And then you click generate. It's gonna take some time to generate the video. The video is ready. Now let's take a look at how it is. Nice. I like it. So the tree's up here, and then she has a glass of champagne, and she's like, cheers to the holiday. And I am definitely gonna use this for social media. All right. So if you love this video, all you have to do is click the download button over here. It's gonna download it onto your device. It's really affordable to generate videos. So now let's try something else. Now we are back on the home page of Insmind, and so when you're on the home page, all you have to do is just look to the side, kind of like the bottom right. You find a free nano banana, the banana sign, and just click on it. And then it takes you here to this page where you can generate interesting images 100% for free. Now you can use reference images as well. You can have up to 8 references. So if you want a model wearing 8 different items, maybe a pair of shoes, a jacket, and stuff like that, you can do that. Let's see how that would look. So I first put up earrings, then we'll have other items that we want our model to wear. We also want these jeans. Now let's look for a blouse. This purple polo blouse to go with the jeans. And then we have a watch. So we're just gonna do some accessories with a pair of jeans and a blouse. So next we have to put our prompts in here. I like to keep my prompts really simple, but elaborate prompts usually work better. So do as you please. So I want a beautiful lady wearing the clothes and accessories in the images in a park. So this is how simple I'm gonna give the prompt, and we're just gonna hit generate. The good thing about this is it's unlimited free, so we can generate multiples. So if we don't get it quite right, we could try again. So the AI is thinking, and it will come up with its image. All right, so we have our image here, which is stunning. We see our beautiful watch, we see our earrings dangling in all their glory, we see the blouse she's wearing and the denims. Unfortunately, we didn't see enough of the denims, and this is where we should have gone for like maybe a full view or a full length image. But I mean, it works for me, and as I said, the more detailed the prompt, the better. So this is cool for me. And then all you have to do to download it is to go to the 3 dots on the right side at the top here and click on download. It has 2 options. It has options either in PNG or JPEG, anyone you want, and you can download it. So it's going to be downloaded onto your device. Good to go. Let's try something different as well. Insmind AI has a lot of templates for e-commerce. So we have the traditional model, AI model, where you can put your clothes on a model. I'll show you that in just a second. There's like replaced item. The list is long. The list is super long. Let's do the AI model and let's see how that one works. So I'm going to upload a model. You can use a photo of yourself as well. That is fine. And then we're just gonna delete this wedding dress, and we're gonna upload our own item that we want the model to wear. So we want the model to wear this blue blouse. I will not touch the description or the prompt over here. Just go ahead with your 2 credits and click on it. And we just have to wait for a few seconds to about a minute, and the image will be generated. All right, so our image is done. So we have a photo of the same model that we had, the same pose, and then she has the outfit on. This is really cool and very simple. We didn't have to do too much. We didn't have to touch the prompt even. Everything is automated. So all we have to do is download it over here. It's in Ultra HD, which is fine. Now, product video generator. This is right at the beginning, and this is high level stuff because this creates a whole complete video with some kind of storyline for you. And so all we have to do is upload our lay flat image. All right, so this is a shirt, a long sleeve men's shirt that I'm gonna put in here, and I'm going to delete the dummy content, so it's just a shirt that I have. I'm gonna leave the content as is. I'm not gonna temper with the prompt, and I'm just gonna hit enter or generate with the arrow button over there. So it's gonna take some time. The AI is gonna open a new chat box, it's gonna start thinking, and eventually it's gonna generate a video for me. This is more of a full production, so it takes a bit more time than normal. Alright, so our video is finally ready, and let's see how it looks. Alright. Ooh. Wow. I like it. I like it. With this, you don't have much control. The AI generates everything in its own way. It comes up with its own concept. But this is really cool to create with just a single image of just a shirt. Nobody in it even. Yeah. Wow. This is amazing. This is awesome. Alright, obviously the download button is at the top with the 3 dots. You just click on it and then click on download. It will give you the option to download it. This tool is crazy. If you want an elaborate video about majority of these features for Insmind, let me know in the comment section, and maybe I'll do more tutorials on a lot of these features because there are so many. It's insane, and the price that it costs to use each one of them is so low. It's like 1 credit, 2 credits. It's really affordable. So let me know in the comments. Alright, so this is all we have for today. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you'd like to try out Insmind. I'm putting the link in my description to try it out. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.